Do you dread the thought of your HVAC system failing? You're not alone. Many homeowners face HVAC issues. Understanding your heating and air conditioning can save you money and stress. Today, we'll explore essential tips for maintaining your HVAC system. Keeping your system in top shape ensures your home stays comfortable. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and cost-efficient. First, check your filters regularly. Clogged filters reduce airflow and efficiency. Aim to replace them every 1 to 3 months. This simple step improves air quality and saves energy. Next, inspect your outdoor unit. Keep the area clear of debris. Remove leaves and branches that block airflow. This keeps your system running smoothly during hot and cold months. Additionally, schedule professional maintenance once a year. A technician can identify potential problems early. This preventative measure can extend your system's lifespan and efficiency. Let's not forget to monitor your thermostat settings. Adjusting it by a few degrees can save on energy costs. Consider investing in a smart thermostat for added convenience. Lastly, educate yourself on common HVAC issues. Understand warning signs like unusual noises or increased energy bills. Early detection can prevent expensive repairs and keep your system running well. Remember these essential HVAC tips? Regular maintenance, clear outdoor space, thermostat management, and education are key. Your comfort depends on your HVAC system's efficiency. For more in-depth advice, check out my book on Amazon. It's called The Homeowner's Guide to Heating and Air Conditioning. 10 essential tips for maintaining your heating and air conditioning unit. If you're ready to dive deeper into HVAC maintenance, visit our website at MarylandHVACRepair.com. Have questions? Call us at 443-243-0000. Like this video and subscribe! Stay tuned for more tips on improving your home comfort. Your HVAC health is our priority.